modern race of technological advancement, China has taken the world by surprise with its groundbreaking new generation transport systems. These innovations not only mark a significant leap in technology, but also signal a shift in global power dynamics, particularly affecting the United States. But what does this mean for the rest of the world, especially the United States? As China pushes forward, the U.S. finds itself at a crossroads. The rapid advancements in Chinese transport technology present both a challenge and a wake-up call for American policymakers and industries. Historically, technological superiority has been a cornerstone of geopolitical influence. As China enhances its transport capabilities, the implications extend far beyond mere convenience or efficiency. As we look to the future, the potential scenarios are both intriguing and daunting. Will the U.S. rise to the challenge, accelerating its own technological advancements to keep pace? In this ever-evolving narrative, one thing is clear: the race for technological supremacy is more than just about innovation. As China continues to launch its new generation transport, the world watches closely, poised for what comes next.